In today's video, I will show you how to easily add a Google Map to your HTML website or any website step by step without using any complex code or API keys. Okay, first open Google Maps in your any browser. Here, search for the location you want to display. For example, I am using Pune, Maharashtra, and click here. And now you will see share button. Click on it and just click on embedded a map tab and just choose the size of map you want to display in your website. I will select large size and copy this iframe tag and paste it in your code and just save it and let's run this and refresh it. And here you can easily change the size of map, like changing width or height, and you can zoom out or zoom in. Thank you for the watching video. Subscribe the channel.